Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn computer network. Okay. So in our first chapter, we are going to learn computer network. First of all, what is a network? Okay. Before going to the network, first understand the concept of the network. Network means two or more computers connected together. Example, this is a computer 1 and this is a computer 2. Okay, these two computers are connected together, or more than these two computers are connected together is called network. Okay, this is a simple network. Example, if you're talking about the our country India, road is there. Okay, road is means a highway road. Okay, highway road connected with all states. Okay, so road is a network. As the same way, when we are talking about the computer, now here three computers are connected. It can be more than three also. Okay, it can be more than three also. Now this is called computer network. Okay, now you can understand what is the use of this network. With help of this network, from here to here, from this computer to this computer, we can send the data, and from second computer to third computer we can send the data, or we can able to access simultaneously at a time. Means at a one time we can able to access all the computer. Sir, only this is a benefit? No. Just to imagine, now this is a building. Okay, this is a building. It is 100 floors. Okay, it is 100 floor. Now here is a one computer, and top floor one computer is there. In between, just to imagine, 70 floors are there. 70 floors are there. Now from this computer to this computer, if you want to take the data, so 70 floors are there in middle. You have to go by staircase, you have to go by the steps, you have to use a pen drive, you have to do so many things. After you have to reach there, and you have to copy, and you have to come, you have to transmit here, correct? If we are using a network, comparing to pen drive, okay, comparing to PD, in LAN Ethernet cable, we can able transfer data fastly. And one more thing is that you have to remember always, this link. Here we see now two or more computers. Here three computers are there. Here is a link. So here connection is there now. Connection number one. Better I will change the color. So your connection is here, correct? This is the one connection, and here is another connection, correct? So this connection can be, means the link. Okay, the link can be a wired or wireless. Means a network means two or more computer connected together, purpose of sharing data. First reason, sharing data. First reason, we introduced a network only for the sharing data. Okay, after, only we can able to share data? No. Reduction in hardware or paperwork, we may say, means hardware. We can able to share hardware also. Example, if we are having 100 computers, okay, if you are having 100 computers, it is not compulsory we should have 100 printer. Okay, it is not compulsory we should have 100 printer. If you are having 100 computer, for the 100 computer you can use only one printer. Okay, only one printer we can able to use. Okay, so this is sharing a hardware. Okay, sharing, only sharing a hardware? No. Another advantage is a reduction in paperwork. Example, uh, this is a paper. Okay, so if before earlier time we maintained all the data in a paper, correct? But now with help of network we are using cloud computing. Okay, we are using cloud computing. What does mean by cloud computing? In an internet, we can store data. We can store data in internet. Okay, this is the cloud computing. Means simple thing you should remember. Network means it is just a link connection between each other. When we are talking about the computer network, connection between two or more computers, purpose of sharing data, hardware, resource, this all things will come in this place. Okay, now let's see the components of computer network. If you want to connect the computers, okay, if you want to connect the computer, so now here is I draw just four computers. I draw A, B, C, D. Okay. In this four computer, one computer will be a admin. There are two type of network. Okay. First is a client, server client. Server client. And another one is a peer-to-peer. Now first we will talk about the server. What does mean by server client? Means in this place server. This is a server, okay, or we may say administrator. Both are correct, okay. Server have all the rights. If server want to turn off system D, it can turn off. Server want to log system C, it can log. If server want to take data from B, it can able to take the data. But thing is what, in peer to means in this client, A client can't access B client, B client can't able to access C client, but the server can able to access all the computer. Server can able to access all the computer. Else you may say server provides a service to the client. With help of the server only, client is working. Where we are using in bank, maximum we are depend on only the server client. The main reason is what, in bank, okay, bank sectors. Example, the clerk is there in a bank, okay, what the amount you are depositing, he's putting in our bank account, correct. If he is a server, okay, so he can put how much you want. You are the means you are using a net banking, correct, you are using net banking. If I am giving server permission to you, you can fill how much amount you want. Within a second you can become a billionaire, correct. So that's why we are just a clients, okay. In a bank, the manager is a server and remaining all customers are client. Why? We are having limited rights. If manager want to terminate our account, he can terminate, suspend our account, okay. If everyone is a server, we can do anything. Means we can put how much money we need, or we can do so many things. In a school, if you're not coming, you can put attendance by yourself if you are a server, okay. So in a school you are a client, okay. So this is a simple concept between server and client, okay. Mostly everywhere they are using server and client. Now peer to peer network. Sir, okay, you understand server and client. In which place we are using peer to peer network? Now just you imagine all computers, okay, if it have equal rights, okay, it is called peer to peer network. It is called peer to peer network. Means A can access C computer, A can access C computer, C can access B computer, and C can access A computer also. This is called peer-to-peer network. Means equal rights. Okay. These are the types of network. And while doing a network, okay, when we are using a network, simply we cannot able to connect a computer. For connecting a computer, we need some special hardware. In your first chapter, you are going to learn about the hardwares such like uh, gate, okay, bridge, hub, LAN, MAN, PAN, can, when. Okay, after okay, so this all things you are going to learn. Okay, this is a hub, HUB, hub. Okay, after cable, when you are going to the cable, you will learn twisted, twisted pair cable. After coaxial cable, after fiber optical cable, means this all are the networks. This is a wired one, and when you're going to the wireless, you will learn Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, radio waves. Means this all just to hardware, you will learn only the basics. Okay, so this all are the topics we are going to cover in our first chapter. Okay. Okay, my dear students, today just I give an introduction about the network. Okay, what is a network, how network is working. Okay, this all things I given, why we are using a network, just a short introduction I given. Tomorrow onwards, we can see little bit deeply about the network, how it is working, and how we are accessing a data and what are the advantages. This all things we may see. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.